able to use both of my hands to do this instead of, if I didn't have this engaged, oh man, I'd have to have a hand down to brace myself, because holding this position without the support of the suit, I really start to feel strain in my back right away. And this, much more tolerable, much easier. And the nice thing about the Apex is I can be in a staggered position like this, and it's comfortable. I can be on my knees like this, and it's comfortable. I could be bent over like this, and it would be comfortable, but it's just so deep of a bend. Why would I do that? So if I push in on my abs, they don't have to work to be in this position at all. And it's definitely reducing the strain and the fatigue in my back. Yeah, so on that muscle atrophy thing, I feel my muscles work, but just not as hard as when I'm doing it now in disengaged mode. Now they're burning already. Okay, everybody, we are done. Prime performance, gym floor complete. It's a little bit of cleanup now, but we're good to go. Apex killed it.